Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a heart wand card. First, we need to make a square paper. Take the top corner and fold it to the bottom. Cut the bottom off. Now you have a square. Take the bottom and fold it to the top. Flip it over and fold it like a hot dog. Do the same thing with the other side. Open it and take the two corners and put them together. Now you have a diamond shape. Draw a heart on it and cut it out. Make another little white heart and glue it on. Draw anything you want on it. Write something in it or decorate it. I made it for my teacher. If you want, you can make 2 hooks to close it. Attach the straw on the back. I made a star for the wand, but you can make anything you want. Look at this cute wands. Let's open it. Woo! Thanks for watching. See you next time.